Hornbill student debate and campaign of Vigun Chibai Tunia debate in a ding topic a hele chieftainship how sani hoi hia hoi lo chi hi hong kinial ling hi wa ya student hong kinial ling te laga a mover ding a hele van lal dong lian Raven High class 12 a hia opposer ding hele ono pau biak lo VK Tona College yai te gel how sa hoi le hoi lo tung tanga Hong kinial ling wa yai khang thak te next generation ai leader ding ten how sa tung tang bang china muwa bang chi bangin I presentation bol de wa chi inang ai ding wa he yai debate hi le a rule ki simple sak ma maya 4 minutes plus presentation om the dinga why appoint wa parini opposer pan opponent lamten question thum adong dia why ka on spot answer dinga he tuin hun sumang loina debate pan ngal lewa he
tunia helaka om he tu tele school tom tom pa na lom le wang pai te na ve kun sun pha ki ka hi le wangal dong lian ka hiya Raven High School la class 12 zilal ka hiya humanity stream la ka hi tunia kan kon yen de hi le chieftainship is it good or bad chi topic pan sana a good or a hoi na lam on focus li ka hiya ipan ling chieftainship pai te pawa mol ta ka gen de hi le khwaw sa chi na hiya khwaw sa te a hi le khwa khat en kai tu or ma kai tu chi na a hi ipu ipa khang ki lwa so na British ten gam lai an apyak teu to hausa I chi te hi kho khata hausa khat kya om hilowin photwam tama hausa tampia oma akho hausa te ki vai pok dan lungzuin akhwa development a om hi akhwa sa hoya le akhwa aki develop hoya hoi ki ya le akhwa adia akiat na hi mai hi khwa sa hoi na khen khat te yen ding hausa te gam a om hi zakin hill house tax amy 10 cheng som lenga piain haimuna I teng theu hi hausa om ke le igam thel thang de hi en haimuna ki teng thelowa hausa te zaka to haimuna ki teng the hi abana hwan le lo gam lian pp tek som lowin izang the hi tun example in latale to lo bol te zaka nek da tak en ki ne hi na en amau tek sa piak ngai le amawa da man na bang hung tung the ya waya amawa din man nan tung le production bangon kiam di a production an kiam le ei mi te nek di onom lo di waya haina taka hausa te zaka gam tek som lowa jang the hi na wa e ya dia le on benefit ma hi singlegwa man bein kila thein ki zuak the hi to singlegwa yen te hi le hai azuak teu in bol na di khonga izat te khonga hiya hai te bang leng tun hausa gamin nei lo hi ta le en lak na di ki nei lo di forestia la ta di hi le danin phal lo wa hi na to hausa te ja ka en afria ki la thein wai ei de dan banga izat di banga ki zuak the hi thusia la sia court hausa court a ngai to ale gen veng the hi to hai thusia la sia hi le khwa kha da mi ni bang kis boy ta in hon kin nial leo to hausa court a amau hausa in ama ma kai na hon su veng mai dia hi hausa om ke le gam teng government khu ta lut dinga hi a district council nei ma le hang 6 schedule ja ka 6 schedule no ya kiom lo hi na ei teng ja kin hoya hausa om a phatwam hi mi pi or khosung mi ten yang le ta ya iom theina sing le gwa nek le tak nom taka athona imu theina khwaw sate a hi jakin amawa poimo ma hi mai tin ka hun ka zo di
kai le ono pawek lal kai VK Tona College sim dal polsom ni art stream ka hi lo tua kama gen pan house hoi na tampiang gin na hima jong le ke question thum kang dong ding hi question khat na hi le house ate hi right to ownership but guardians of the land house ate kho house ama il le kho kem tu ding
house ate ji pen a khonei tu le hi a kho kem tu le hi amao kemun chin a ki vai pok dan le amao thu ma pai le le amao thu kya pai den le twan lo cha ki ho khom zel tho house court to me chu house court da boy na te le su vengu hu cha a khwa ki vai pok ke chu
house court provision wa ya India constitution pel zu de no me
pel twan lo le house court chi ja ka le Indian constitution da na pai hi twan lo icha they have their own rules and regulations
house an tek sala na tunga akho sunga sing le gwa ki tu na a chi ching na mo na mi pi te ka bangja tek sala ai hai
ku pen chu aziak chu a house aten agam ama wai chu ama wala ku hita le a tax le tam na twan lo le but they take it for their personal gain but not much but they have to because they got it from the British as I've said
a chi le sing tang khwa izo gam khwa injani inja thum pen bangja to som ni som thum bangja khomi pi tam pi sum nei lo gen thei ta ga te tam pi bangja lam ka pi ma hi vai house a ho ija hi ho do ja bangja hi kho
ai pen chu mau personal experience mau thil to apana mau haksa sakja kwa ai ge le ai lo lam khong hi thelo ai ge le hak hi thelo ja khong wa ape mui din ka ging
kho house ten bang chidan schemes le fan hung pai tia jang viai ama wading a job car job bolero el job building bangina jang ve el mi pia dia phatua mina jang viai
ke kana research zain chu amao house ten chu jang mawe a khen chang in le jang ke mawe but they mostly use it for the people
ke ka hi le ono pa bek la ke ya vi ke to na ko lei cha pol som ni simlal art stream ka hi ko lo wa tu nia kang presenting le house a hoi lo na i gam sunga house a hoi lo na te hi gam sunga house ai chi thumina ki khen thea sa legal do zia a khwa zo na tung wa house a ina pang thiwa ola u le naw bi le hung le tu le ta ko ma khen khiao gam tunga house a na pang thiwa a thum na pi na ma ni sum sianga house a ki siam jong hi ola i gam sunga house a ti hi gam nei tu di ta hiloin gam en kol tu ding zo hi wa ni dang lai tui na to khwali tui na to house a ten pan hoi ta na laun yama le tu hun chiang modern chieftainship ye chiang in house atian amawadi bang in property bang in ang bolta ba ko sian house in I na ne mi pi te tung hi ang king yama ma hi bolo igam hi 95% sipial 1% house na hi a all in hi ho hi gam nei tang nei tu hi no loin ami pi te gam nei tang nei tu hi no loin a house ate hi zota wa ko sian sarkar na ma pat schemes ne fan tuam tong pai te house te khodang lu na hi bolo wa izo kam wa khwa zakhat jani pen hi tu in som ni som thum vel gya ba hungum ta hi hoi house a kilo ni ijal house in kwanti gi lo na zia hi holo house du am na hung lian deu deu in tax sing le gwa tunga hai chi ho tunga a khomi ptn shifting cultivation a hun wak ji la lo hinglim tanga cheng in house atien ama wa ding chin tax allow hi holo ali na igam leitam khum bi na ding house atien pan bang ma la si wa sum le pa ya adel zova ko chau jeng lo an saliga la hi lo le ha san na huna khwa tan thei na di bu huna house atien bp ding ami pt ama gom ding le khwa hum bit ding koi ma nei non si ding hi holo house ikivai pu na zion sarkar la ma pa schemes le fanung bai sarkar in zong ising tang gama development khang to na sa ta ding lai house akivai pu na zia in su boy no ma nang in omi holo house akivai hom na zia in khwati a singtang gama development nasa ta dal no abi in ono Manipur sunga hilly area abi in Churachandpur a hi holowa house ate hi bangkim economic development hitale social economic development hitale hu ho zo sia anang tu ina pangu hi
ke ka hi le wa na long lian ka hi Rayburn High School a class 12 humanities stream la ka hi ke mover ka hi atun ya opposer pa din question ni ang dong di fan te akizat lo lam ko ya pana ki the hi chi nagen south the dam
hi ko pen hi house ati tung target chen nidang abang ma na hi lo tian jong tu in government pada fanung pai ho job car ichi car bolero le properties tomang nei ba huti pada hi the hi
tax allow chi nei chumo nang tax law le government te lak sanga 90% khonga tom zo lawe chu agama aom manu cha lawe chu like as a rent why committee adia phatwam zolo ya for rather than the tax they pay to the government
khosunga a house apa khosunga umai le chu tax ala ngai si dinga ama house ko ma gama nget wa house na na phala hi le tax apia ngai non si de
thank you that's all
Hornbill student debate episode 2 topic dinga hi le politics is a dirty game politics kichi kimol thang hoi hi chi hi a yai tung ta ong kinial ding tigela hi le kap khan khwal sing son ama hi le mover hi dinga Ebenezer school para hi opposer ding na lamnei thiam Raven College amau tigel politics is a dirty game yes or no harin yes on chidinga harin no on chidinga amau gel i hon ke be dewa hi
cái lễ các bạn khoa sinh son Ebenezer Academy bắt cái topic dia lễ politics is a dirty game chị ai politics is a dirty game chị chăng khá politics khá election lắm đều con có cả election ấy chị cha power kỳ anh khá phải mà nè election ấy chị cùng ngã đan vai hôm cái tụ ná hi à vai hôm cái tụ power toy cái tụ hi chang vậy nè power đây à mi khá election chăng à chính là hạ xuống ông bằng ai à chính là hạ xuống á bằng in adik lâu chị hiện các nó là quá ông bằng ai mà nè hoài khá sáng thấu lâu thị sai hi anh ấy đã đi nè sum gột gột nè anh sama mà ya election à sum bồi mỗi ya mi tâm pi tê khá vote giống in và quả sum muốn làm cho mà họ mi nè hoài sum tê tung tao nè vote tâm pi một thị khá lệ chiều nè sum tê tâm pi sẽ ngồi anh ấy nè vote capture chị khác như đăng lại là thằng mà ballot box điang bị tài bị chị không atama hoài khác hội lậu nà mà lê khát ai nó này boy na ball polling booth không à họ nó nà cái gì mi vote cái tệ họ không kiêng à boy na ball luôn hoặc chả amau adia khá bản thị tàu bằng nên khá boy na ball lên amau dạo thị na đi làm pi ngày toàn hội lậu lắm như là bằng ngôi hi dirty na hi khát hỏi chợ tu lại khá bồi mô mà khá cái ghế nẹo khá polling booth khá quả tiền thu này wa chị cái thầy dấu nào lâu election commission tế ha ấy cái lệ organization tế chị ai à election commission tế khen chàng khá ý mũ ha chị thầy khop lên khá mà hoài election commission te sáng mày khá organization ấy cái lệ poll toàn ta mình vai họ mà hiện nè vai hôm cái tụ in khá organization toàn tên khá bản thị tàu bằng sĩ bồi sa lâu họ phía la bằng ấy mà nè khá election khá dirty mà hi chị lấy point khá đây nó nè tôm na đi nè tu la ya election hun dekai hi mana tu le election hun dekai hi mana na hoi isep kitu ahi wa tu lai tak kha asem di bang kitu election hun ma kha na hoi isep bang kitu un kha thil tuam hun bo lu hwai kha hwai pan san di wa han jang chak na dia lam lian bangan bo lu ma lam lian bangan bo lun hwai kha election hun chang aswan lam di mai wa kha on bo lun hoài áp thil bol tiêu là cùng ngà đại lâu không nhìn lấy chang khác lùng simu khác power tối nay đi mai hon rằngว่าhi chị con yên nó pa hi politics is a dirty game chị hai tan in con dấu đi
quality topic kha hi le politics is a dirty game hi ho chi le nang kha election sang tholo na chi pen kha politics kha ngo the hi ham
politics khá ngộ thì ai mà politics gì chăng khá cái gen mà bằng cái topic cái cột làm đều khá politics ai na lấy cho election vài hôm cái tụ ấy chăng politics khá sáng thấu lâu dirty game mà hi election khá ổn đàn na phải mà ECT election commission te ยายลำคงบางค่ะ election commission ส่วนเที่ของค่ะกิมุลวีไปหอยช่างค่ะ organization civil organization ไอ้กิเลปอลตามฮันโจหอยช่างค่ะ dirty game
Good evening, everyone. I'm Lam Naitim and I'm representing Rayburn College. And today, my topic is politics is not a dirty game. Politics it is not a dirty game. If we say that politics is a dirty game, then why can't we also say that it is a clean game? Politics it is all about powers, and that powers it is given by the people to the representatives. And why people we give powers to the representatives? It is because we want protections, promotions, and development of the people and the nations. From politics, it is the means and the ways by which the leaders they are elected to public offices, and politics cannot be narrowly defined as a dirty game. It should be seen as an art where the players should be visionary and smart in their dealing with the powers. Politics, it provides a platform where the best suitable candidates they are elected. If the elected members have the integrity and the courage to do what is just and right, politics can be a place where healthy competitions are practiced. For ethical practice of politics, one must be educated or at least have common sense of the norms and practices of politics. Politics must not be seen as a means to grab the power, but its means should be about pursuing higher goals of bringing humanity to greater heights. Politics, it is not the politics which is dirty, but it is the people who are using it dirtily. It must be understand that the laws and the rules they are break when politics is used dirtily by the politicians. Citizens, we must be aware of their mischief and make an effort to make them accountable to the people for this act which the politicians are imposing it to us. Accountability can be accessed by the votes, by the media and television and the public movements. As a conscious citizens, being silent or indifferent towards the unethical practices of politics is an open invitation to make politics dirty. For taking an example, we can take an example of a knife. A knife, when it is used by the right person or a good person, it can be used for the good. But if it is used by a murderer, then that's another case. So just like that, politics, it is when it is used by the right person, it can be used for the development of the nations. But if it is used by a corrupted person, then it is then it is the loss of the people. So lastly but not the least, let's not be a part of the blame game, but be a responsible citizens first, then everything will fall into place. Thank you.
Chị lẽ đợt nào thì pan pa dia politics yang đâu nó chỉ á amite kinh à chị này chúng không amite kinh à hi lệ ấy sinh tang à yên dia làm cả context à làm cả politics ấy cái lệ election sang thâu bên na thấy à
Tu lai in cho election to strict the win zong a bolta wa guards fail china koi wa tu lai in cho election to sang thâu in ka taken
asiang thâu lo na kha den le kon gen hina polling booth stay khong a kha guard stay duty le kha guard stay sang a thane jo kha organization tam pio mai man na guard stay kha bang ma lo hitop mai a ko hi organization ten pan hoai la ka kha boy na không mà bỏ đúng không boy na không mà bỏ luôn hoai kha siang thâu dâu lâu siang thâu dâu lậu na election commission te sang a kha organization civil organization ai ke le underground te khong in tu nei zo a hi ke mu da na hoai dung zo ina hoai kha siang thâu siu lại đi na diam
Can you give a witness ka kaya chile nang zong why asyang tholo na na chi why thu pe nang did you have the right to vote, or have you ever went to that place and see that
right to vote nei mo chi e chang kha India mi chi in kha vote right to vote ki nei cha da hi ei vote thi na di kha vote na kya ki le nang amo zel zut thi zel bang zut thi rồi lại na hi kha i thei dia hai kha experience ล้ำค่ะกันเลยตัวค้ากะหิมันเนี่ยนะที่จะค่ะอ่อนกันไหนจะชนกว่าที่ยามข้างไปยินค่ะที่จะเก็บจากหลวด้านเลยจุยตัวเรามั้งเห็นเลยค่ะเอามาค่ะ politician เด็ดอันนั้นกี่หัวเล่มขึ้นไม่ปีเทมาค่ะอันนั้นกี่หัวเล่มขึ้นไม่เทไว้จุยืนจังเทเรามั้งอันนั้นกี่หัวเล่มขึ้นชมบางย่ามคนนักกีฬาไม่เทอยู่ไว้ค่ะไว้เอามาไอ้จ่าชมอันนี้จ้างว่าค่ะเอามาแล้วมาปังเราเทเราไอ้จ้างเอาไว้เอามาคอนโทรลนั่นว่าอย่างมันเตี้ยค่ะหายโวดุเจียองเวียนจ้างค่ะไม่ปีนย่างงำเราไว้ด้านนี้
Hornbill Student Debate Episode 1 and 2 tunin is out tawa yai now pang student class 12 level ading ni performance ohoi mama a first timer TV a hi izigna neu khat articulation confidence level kibat simbang male amau level yet ale a research teo a point presentation teo ohoi mama hi tunia yai debate te hi igam sunga ding a thought provoking ding mi tampi ngai tuana nei sak thak ding le igam siam phat theina le transformation creating ideas trying to transform lives ngai dan thak ne ya hi khial teo siam phat na dinga ki hi ya tunia participating teng tua ki pak thui gen hi Hornbill Cable Network in kal tengina yai na pang te debate na hi ong ki kha khezel ding a hi kwa tabang yai kwa mi kwa peu yai debate atelu dau mai le we always are open for the door is always open for anyone who is willing just give me a call mang tai thul non contact diwa debate yai kha pai to zeling igam sung siam phat na ding ai pan lak tela kha hi tunia ngai tu ten bangai dan ne wa bangana comment wale suggestion yai debate kha competition dar pai ke ya himale it's more about sharing ideas trying to articulate ingai dan gen hiat wai kha mi convince something le presentation skill at na hi wai ke lo in society te reflection na dinga yai debate ka sai hi tunia ding Hornbill Debate Student Debate yai tana azau ta hi